Nestled in the village of Yomitan on Japan's subtropical Okinawa island, House in Kina stands as a quietly powerful example of contemporary residential design responding to both nature and tradition. Designed by Takeshi Ishiodori Architecture and completed in 2020, this 74-square-meter single-story home was conceived for a family of 4 seeking a deeper connection to their surroundings through material and spatial experience. Despite the prevalence of reinforced concrete construction in the region, the clients chose wood, not for economy, but to create a dwelling that would age gracefully and become part of the natural cycle of life itself. In Okinawa's dense residential context, where strong winds and typhoons have driven heavier construction practices, this home embraces a contrasting approach. The design places a simple box-like structure with load-bearing walls around a central courtyard, optimizing wind resistance while opening the interior to light and air. Cedar cladding on the exterior sets the home apart from its concrete neighbors and reinforces its commitment to warmth and material honesty. Internally, House in Kina unfolds around its courtyard, which serves as a heartbeat for daily life. All primary rooms face this innermost space, inviting daylight and gentle breezes into every corner. Private sleeping areas lie to the south, a Japanese-style room anchors the middle, and a living space with a heightened ceiling sits to the north, fostering varied spatial experiences within an otherwise modest footprint. Boundaries between rooms are softly delineated through fittings rather than rigid walls, enhancing flow and continuity. The pervasive use of timber, from exterior cedar boards to exposed interior beams and floors, gives House in Kina a tactile warmth that evolves over time. As natural light dances across wood surfaces and the sea breeze stirs through open plains, the architecture reveals a quiet sensitivity to climate, culture, and lived experience. Here, resilience does not come from massive weight, but from an intelligent blend of tradition, craft, and environmental responsiveness, a meaningful model for residential design in challenging climates.